everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I am super excited to show you guys my new bubble digitals that are in my Etsy shop, and I will link it down below so you guys come check them out. So let's see. So the other day I made some fun bubble paper with you guys, and we did it on just some mixed medium paper, and they're just 5x7, so I scanned them in, and there's going to be 5 sheets for you guys to print off, and they'll be digitals, so you can print them, and you know, after you purchase it, you can print them as many times as you want, make some fun things, and I want to show you guys these really cool envelope flips I made today with them. Okay, so I want to show you them real quick. So this is, I did some fall colors and then just some pretty like blues and greens and pinks, and I mean just so many different colors, and versatile to use them in all your projects. So there's this one, and you'll get 5 sheets of them, and there's 2 on each, so it's like these are fun just journaling cards. You can even cut them in half and make a journaling card, or you can, you know, take them, fold them in half like this and have little booklets, or I'm going to show you some fun thing to do today with them. So there's that one, and then we got this one, and what's cool is you could see the mixed media paper behind it. I don't know if that shows up on camera. But, so it's kind of cool. I mean, it looks like you did it on mixed media paper. I mean, they scan out really nice, or print out nice. This is just photo matte paper that I printed on. Yeah, it's just the HP photo matte paper. But there's that one. And then this one I did with coffee, and I did it on a big piece of mixed media paper. So I think that turned out really cool. So you could play with that and make this into like a little booklet, or have it as background pages, or do them as tags. I mean, so many varieties. So there's only 3 here, and then the other 2 are here. So I made them into really fun just envelopes, and I want to show you guys how to do that today. Okay, so let's get started here. So what we're gonna do is we'll go ahead and get one of these. Let's do this one. That'll be fun. And I'm just taking my cutter here. Yeah, so I figure I'll just pop on and show you guys what I'm doing here. It's just, I'm having way too much fun. So let's see. Because I want the top lower. So when you fold it in half like that, I want this front area, the front of the envelope, to be just a little bit lower, so it's just easy to pop things in and out. So that's how I did that. So this is super easy. I mean, you just take it, cut the sides off, do the top the size you want, and then just fold it in half. So I tried to make it easy and simple, and then they turn out so fun. I mean, just so fun. Okay. And then I'm going to take so this is the front of it. I'm going to take my hole punch. This is just what, my 2-inch? I think it's a 2-inch one. And find the middle of it. Pop that. And then what I want to do is take my black soot, my little blending tool, and I'm just going to ink around the edges. Okay, so I just did some grunging around it. You can do as little or as much as you want. And I'm just going to do the back part here too. And you'll see, I'm just going to get the edges here. So because it depends on how wide you have your little flap here. Okay. So what I have is a macaroni and cheese box. So we're going to do some recycling today, which is great. And what I did is just find the flat parts of it, wherever it flaps like that. So it's already ready already. So I'm just going to take it. Only need just a little piece, just a little flap of it. Okay. Yeah, utilize the little flaps that's already there for you. And you can even them a little bit better. Okay, there we go. Now, this is just a fun, quick project you could do, and then you got envelope flips, you know? I mean, it's so much fun. So I'm just gonna take this, my Fabrifix glue, and I'm just gonna glue this down. Have just some pretty paper, just because you can see a little bit's going to show through, so that's kind of fun. So I'm just lining this up, and I'm just making sure that this can still close like that, so you don't want to, like, you know, jam it all the way on there. So I'm just going, the fold's right there, so I'm just going just a little bit below it, just like that. Okay, and then close this. Okay. And any white showing or anything like that, I'm just gonna ink up when I'm all done, so it won't show. Okay, so just close it. Take your pencil. And then I'm just tracing all the way. Okay, and then here's the part that you're gonna wanna just cut it about 1/4 of an inch down below it, just so we have some wiggle room here when we glue it down. Just to give yourself some space to, so it's not peeking through. You want to make sure it's good and covered there. Okay, so I just made it a little bit bigger. All right, and then you just see where you want it. I'm just going to glue here. Like that, and then just here. Then I know it's all getting glued down. Okay. There we go. So isn't that cool? And then if you want to, you can just take it and do a little more inking. Like that. We're looking good here. So we got that far. Now all we got to do is just glue the edges. So I mean, it's pretty simple. It's so much fun. I mean, you just get the digitals, cut them how you want them, and fold them and glue. And just use up some fun scraps and stuff around your house, you know? That's the best part, is using up your little boxes. And, you know, I know you guys have a pile. I know you guys have a pile. I definitely have a pile. I'm like, no, keep that one. And my husband and my kid, I always ask, are we keeping this? Are we keeping this? It's like, yes, I'm keeping the box. It's a great box. Because we look at things differently, don't we? Like, yeah, I can make some really cool stuff with that. Okay, and if you want, you can just do a little trim up, you know? Just however you gotta work it. There we go. Yeah. And I can always trim that side too if I want to, but however you want to do it. But there we go. We got ourselves a envelope flip. So I got this, and I've done a couple before with you guys, showing with I did one with the paper bag, and I did a couple, I think, with the just the folders here. And yeah, I mean, if you guys would like to see me make, you know, another journal using the manila folders here, let me know. Let me know in the comments. And if you guys are enjoying this video, hit the like button. It really helps me. It gets my video out there, and I really appreciate it. And I love hearing from you guys. So comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see me do a fun journal using my bubble digitals. And I will definitely do that for you guys. So please. Okay, so there you go. You got it here. You take your glue, and you just glue here. Pop this on top, and just make sure you have enough room right here to be able to flip like that. So just like that. You know, just line it up. And you can flip back and forth. So you can do that. We can do this, and what's cool is these can go either way. They can go, there's no upside down. So that makes it fun. So you can go up higher with it and do one here. You can have another one down here. I didn't glue that one, but you can even have it so it opens up and just cover it with pretty papers on the inside. So you can have like a little cool little flip out here, which, you know, that's an idea. I might keep that one like that because they're going to be like boom and then flip and have some pockets in here. And you can even do maybe some journaling pages. I don't know how to get it too bulky, but yeah, so there's so many different things you could do with these. And I mean, you could even just, you know, like I said, make this into like a cool journal with it, or use it as inside, or this would be great on the inside here, and you can still journal on top of it. So how fun would that be on the inside, and you can still do journaling because it's still light enough. I mean, just so many options you can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And even if you guys don't come purchase, if you come favor my shop, it helps me out a lot. I really, really, really appreciate you guys. You guys are super supportive, and I love it. So here we go. This is what we did today. And yeah, so if you guys could, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.